Hi, this is Indranil and you are watching Business Bites in our channel The Spotlight, India's first online business news channel. In today's Business Bites, first news we have Reliance Industries to exit from Asian Paints by selling their 4.9% stake for 11,141 crore. Second news we have L&T Energy to build the first 10,000 tons per annum green hydrogen plant at Indian Oil Corporation refinery at Panipat. Third news we have gaming company Times Internet, the parent of Dream Sports, invested 427 crore in QuickBuzz and Willow TV. Fourth news we have Tataw 1mg to expand their offline stores as they are looking to raise external fund of $300 million US. And fifth news we have mixed reality content firm Flam and quick service restaurant chain Biryani Blues raised fund. In first news, Reliance Industries to exit from Asian Paints by selling their 4.9% stake for 11,141 crore. Mukesh Ambani led Reliance Industries has revived the plan to sell their 4.9% stake in Asian Paints, which holds number one position for a longer period of time, as the paint sector, which is of $9 billion US worth, is facing margin pressure with heightened competition, where Reliance Industries was with Asian Paint for last 17 years. Reliance Industries bought their 4.9% stake in 2008 before the global financial crisis hit for 500 crore, and now the stake will bring 11,141 crore to Reliance Industries when the stock price of Asian Paints has dropped by 19.3% in the past year, which causes to lose their market value of 51,000 crore. At present time, Asian Paints' market share has dropped from 59% to 52%. Paint companies have reported muted revenue growth for the fourth consecutive quarter, and the companies attributed this to subdued consumer demand, especially in urban market, as well as an early Diwali, when the impact of rising competition is leading to higher rebating, and this has been apparent in year-on-year gross margin reduction despite the reduced raw material costs. On the other side, since 2020, Reliance Industries has infused $50 billion US into their retail and digital services, when another $9 billion US has been kept for solar modules, hydrogen electrolyzers and energy storage batteries as part of their pivot to new energy. In second news, L&T Energy to build the first 10,000 tons per annum green hydrogen plant in Indian Oil Corporation refinery at Panipat. L&T Energy Green Tech is a wholly owned subsidiary of EPC major Larsen & Toubro to set up on a build-own-operate basis for 25 years and will supply green hydrogen at Rs 397 per kg, when more than 6 other companies has bid in Indian Oil Corporation Limited's maiden green hydrogen tender early this year. In the last tender clause, Indian Oil Corporation introduced a new technical qualification criteria where the bidder should have owned the right to set up electrolyzer manufacturing and or green hydrogen production capacity under Mode 1 of the Strategic Interventions for Green Hydrogen Transition Program from the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. According to the norms, the bidder should also have executed on a build, own, operate and transfer basis of a refinery, petrochemical or fertilizer facility with a commercial hydrogen production facility in the last 15 years, and they should have been in continuous commercial operation for at least 1 year. In this particular bid, along with L&T, NTPC Renewable Energy and Renew E-Fuels also participated, where NTPC's bid value was Rs 398 per kg and Renew E-Fuels bid value was Rs 407 per kg for the green hydrogen supply. In third news, gaming company Times Internet, the parent of Dream Sports, invested 427 crore in QuickBuzz and Willow TV. Mumbai-based gaming company Dream Sports has invested 50 million US dollar, that is around 427 crore, in cricket media platform QuickBuzz and North American cricket broadcaster Willow TV, which are owned by Times Internet. When Dream Sports will get a strategic minority interest in QuickBuzz and Willow TV, which collectively have 185 million monthly users across more than 150 countries. In March 2023, Willow TV secured rights to broadcast International Cricket Council events in the US and Canada until the end of 2027, when Willow TV, which is the largest cricket broadcaster in North America, streams more than 1,500 live matches every year to the users in the US and Canada until they have also expanded their broadcast footprint into a leading cricket broadcast platform for the Middle East and Southeast Asia. Times Internet is the digital arm of the Times of India Group, where Dream Sports' investment in QuickBuzz and Willow TV will create new opportunities for fan experiences by providing more real-time analysis and statistics, engagement and commerce integrations, and also AI-driven predictions to QuickBuzz audience. With this deal, Dream Sports, which operates the fantasy platform Dream11, is expanding their presence beyond India, when earlier this month they have joined the ownership group of English football club Salford City FC and became a part of a consortium led by David Beckham and Gary Neville alongside other business leaders. In fourth news, Tata 1mg to expand their offline stores as they are looking to raise external fund of 300 million US dollar. Tata 1mg is re-entering an investment phase as they are looking to expand their offline presence amid talks of an external funding round where Tata Digital had acquired a strategic stake in 1mg in 2021, and since then the e-pharmacy firm has raised only 40 million US dollar through a rights issue from Tata Digital in 2022. Since being acquired by the Tata Group, which currently owns a 67% stake in 1mg, where out of the remaining 33% stake in the company, its founders own about 7%, while investors like European family office Cortisol Holdings, World Bank's investment arm IFC, and others hold the rest. The planned 300 million US dollar external fundraising for 1mg marks a shift in strategy for the Tata Group, which had last year asked 1mg and its grocery delivery firm Big Basket to increase reliance on debt to fund growth, when in financial year 25, 1mg's revenue is estimated to have grown 30 to 35% to around 2,500 to 2,600 crore. Where their annual cash burn is about 180 to 200 crore, out of which a significant part is going to new initiatives, which includes offline expansion. In financial year 24, the revenue of Tata 1mg had grown 21% to 1,968 crore, with over 80% of this coming from medicine sales, when their net loss reduced to 313 crore compared with 1,255 crore in financial year 23. The company's revenue has more than tripled until financial year 24, when in the financial year 21, 1mg had reported revenue of 309 crore. Presently, in addition to offline sales, the company is increasing their push behind institutional business. And in fifth news, mixed reality content firm Flam and quick service restaurant chain Biryani Blues raised fund. The Bengaluru and San Francisco-based Flam, which is a startup that provides tools for brands to run mixed reality advertisement and campaigns, has raised 14 million US dollar in their Series A round of funding. Flam was founded in 2021 by Shaurya Agrawal, Malhar Patil and Amit Gaiki, and in Flam they are building a full-stack enterprise suite of generative AI-powered products that enables brands to deliver mixed reality experiences. The company will be utilizing the fresh capital in expanding their presence in North America, Europe and in the Middle East, while they are also scaling operations in Asia. Apart from that, they are also planning to invest in product development across generative AI-based tools for 3D asset generation, analytics and an integrated advertising suite to aim the sectors like retail, sports, broadcasting and live events. On the other side, Gurugram-based QSR, that is quick service restaurant chain Biryani Blues, raised $5 million which is around 42 crore in their recent round of funding, when the company was valued at 250 crore, which is 51% premium than their last valuation in 2021, when they raised $5 million from Rebel Foods, which is the parent company of Hasos and Behruz Biryani, and the company Biryani Blues has raised a total $15 million till time as external funding. So these were the top 5 business newses from Business Bytes in our channel The Spotlight, India's first online business news channel. I would like to request you to please subscribe this channel so that you can have all the updates from our end. Thank you very much for watching Business Bytes and signing it off.